Okay, in this video, let me just get it up a little bit. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the index as well as the combination of the compare node to just to change a specific part of your GeoNode. Okay, so let me show you. So right now we got a automatically like a GeoNode generated city. Okay, let's just go back to here so you guys can see more like smoothly without the rendering effect. So basically, we we place the city on a plane and all shoot it up and randomize it, and I also make shader according to whether whether it's like black or white. I use this Voronoi texture. I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry about that. And to generate that, and using color ramp to filter it, and then using a noise texture to randomly get all sort of a noise color. So it looks okay, but obviously do have some sort of thing that is obviously wrong. It's at the top. Okay, so if you look at the top, the building shouldn't have a window at the top unless it's like a special designed building. So most of the building will, like skyscrapers, you have windows around the building but not at the top of the building. So how to do that? Pretty simple. We're going to use the help of compare as well as index. So what I'm going to do is to remember at the last node here we got this like these, yeah, where is it? Things, yeah, color ramp, yeah, material, yeah. This is shading. Sorry, when you go back to GeoNode. So as here, the last one we got like a set material, so you will just get one material. But what if, say, we got the top roof material? So I'm going to name a material, say 2. Okay, and I'm going to like override this original material, but only at the top faces. We can do that with the help of GeoNodes, because we can here we can duplicate this, Shift and D to duplicate this. Okay, but instead of choose this material, I'm going to choose material 2. But if you just choose that, it will just you know, override this with the color here. We don't want that. So for example, if you want the roof to be I don't know, a black color, something like that, you can do that. But it will override the previous like a glossy sort of thing. So what I'm going to do is to specifically select things. But if you like select the index, then you won't be able to actually change the index. Okay, so how to do that? I'm going to use the equal node to do that. So equal, you can't find the equal. That's because it's inside the math. So if you got a math and we got like a function comparison, I'm going to search for equal. Okay, so equal should like start with E, less than. Yeah, where is it? Where is it? Come on, add, subtract, multiple, power, square root, export, minimum, less than, greater than, sign. Okay. Smooth, compare. Let's compare. Compare value, epsilon. Yeah, that's a little bit strange. If intolerance. Okay, yeah, if A equals B within the tolerance, then it will be 0. Yeah, we can do that, but I prefer to use exactly equal. Okay, maybe I just use this for demonstration. Okay, just first I thought I don't want to like overcomplicate things, but I think, hey, what's the fun in that? So I'm going to use the index as a certain value, and I'm going to just compare this. So the value will be here, and the value that you're going to compare will be here, and epsilon, let's just go back to 0. Okay, so the value will be, say, 1, with just the one face will be completely second material, so material 2. So if you choose that to 2, it'll be another face. Okay, then you'll be like 3. Okay, it's not 1, so 3. Okay, and 4 will be another face. Okay, 5 another face, and 6 another face. Okay, you just need to go through all that until you actually find a specific face for your specific need. So right now I find that 2 is for the top, will be the roof. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so epsilon is like a tolerance threshold. So if 1 and 2 is have a similar range and is less than specific epsilon, you will be choose that. But I need to be exactly at that same faces because it's like integer. So I just choose epsilon to 0, and this is almost the same to I believe to compare node. Okay, and you can have an equal here. I don't know why the mathematical node do not have an equal, but maybe the compare like the epsilon is like a over powerful. It's like already pretty powerful, and it already include the equal here. So if you want to like exact equal, you can get something like this. Okay. Right now, let's just ignore this. I prefer to just use just 1 and just show you that you can also got multiple ways of doing the same thing. Okay, so let's go to the layout. Okay, so you got like a different material. So the top will be a different material as well. So if you choose that and go to a specific render, you won't get like a really glossy reflective top. Okay, unless you want to do that, because you can always go back to shading and say you like it to be not so metallic, really rough. Okay, and you can get even got like a white-ish top. Doesn't really matter. Okay. So yeah, and of course you can like play around with GeoNode, so you can extrude that, something like that, get some sort of parking space for helicopter. Yeah, you can do that, but right now I think I'm already pretty satisfied with it, and yeah, see you next video. Bye.